Vijay, hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So, today I'm here with another tarot reading that is what is the guidance by the spirit angels on your current situation. So, this is a timeless reading, so take it only if it resonates. Okay. Yeah. So, see, currently, हुआ ऐसा है कि you have completed a major cycle of your life, and now you're thinking that things are getting very slow. You have transformed it, or all I can say, you have moved on from a situation that was no longer serving you, and now you're confused कि have I done the right thing or not? So, yes, of course, you have done the right thing, and now there's no need to get confused about it, okay? Things are not slow, it's just that you have just completed a cycle and now you want some movement. But the guidance over here is that wait and watch. You have already moved on from a situation, or you are being guided to move on from a situation. Yeah, you were having a lot of manipulative energy around you, manipulative people around you, and you either decided to walk out, or you were confused, or you are still confused on what to do. For 50%, you'll be confused about what should I do, and 50% have already moved on. So the ones who are confused and sitting and thinking, what should I do? You are being told to move on from this situation as soon as possible. And there is no point in sitting and controlling things which are not even in your hand. You're just sitting and analyzing ki that person is eating something. How do I stop him? Of course, you can't stop him, right? He just wants to eat it, and it's his will, his choice. So you can't be controlling everything in your life. So you just need to let it go. You are being guided to let it go and let just walk away. Either you walk away from this situation or let it go away from you if it's already going. No need to hold it, okay? Because this is very important for you, because it's a very karmic sort of thing, and it needs to be completed as soon as possible, okay? And you may be feeling things are going low, or things are going very slow, and you don't know what to do, and you're just stagnant, you're just standing over there, where to go, there's no way. But the way is only one, that you let it go instead of holding it tightly. Yeah, it has to end. This particular thing is so karmic that it has to end. And it is not slow, it is just you who are holding it on so tightly that it's it's just hurting you the most. Okay, so you are being guided to stay away from the situation, move away from the situation as soon as you can, because that is what is serving in your best interest. I hope it resonates. Do let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.